Hey guys, welcome back to the Destinations channel, and I'm Sal Patera. One of the biggest questions I get is, can I use my cell phone on board a cruise ship without returning home to a huge telephone bill? And the answer to that question is no, regardless of what your carrier tells you, because most customer service people don't understand there is a huge surcharge when using the satellite to make phone calls on board a cruise ship. However, that doesn't mean you can't stay in contact. This video is going to let you know how you can do it, sometimes for free or at a very low cost. Before we get to that though, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification. That way YouTube will let you know every time we upload a brand new video. Now, here's how.
So you're about to set sail on a cruise, ready for adventure and relaxation, but you're also wondering how to stay in touch with friends and family back home without coming home to a massive phone bill? You're definitely not alone. Cruise ships are amazing, but their at-sea cell service can be shockingly expensive if you're not careful. Let me walk you through my favorite ways to text for free, or almost free, while you're cruising the open seas. These tips have saved me a ton of money and kept me connected, whether I'm sharing sunset photos or just checking in with loved ones. First things first, as soon as I step on board, I immediately switch my phone to airplane mode. Trust me, this is absolutely crucial. It stops your phone from accidentally connecting to those pricey at-sea satellite networks, which can charge you outrageous rates for even a single text or a few seconds of data. No one wants a surprise bill, right? Even if you're just planning to use Wi-Fi. Airplane mode is your best friend on a cruise. Once airplane mode is on, I turn Wi-Fi back on manually. Most cruise ships offer a variety of Wi-Fi packages, from basic messaging plans to full internet access. Even the most basic package usually lets you use popular apps like WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger to send texts, photos, and even short videos. It's not totally free, but it's way cheaper than paying per text or call through the ship's cellular network. Before you buy a package, compare the options. Some ships offer a messaging-only plan that's perfect if you just want to text, while others bundle messaging with social media or full browsing. Prices can vary a lot, so check what's included and pick what fits your needs. But here's my real money-saving tip. Check if your cruise line has its own app. Many major cruise lines have developed their own apps that work over the ship's Wi-Fi, and you can often use them for free or for a small one-time fee, even if you don't buy a full Wi-Fi package. Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Princess, and others have these handy apps that let you message other guests on board, make dinner reservations, check the daily schedule, and more. Messaging through the cruise line's app is a game changer for staying in touch with your travel crew, especially if you're traveling with family or a group of friends. There might be a small one-time fee, usually just a few dollars for the whole trip, but it's totally worth it for the convenience. You can coordinate meetups, share updates, or just send a quick "Where are you?" without worrying about extra charges. When the ship docks in port, I always hunt for free Wi-Fi at the terminal, a nearby cafe, or even a local restaurant. Many ports have free or low-cost Wi-Fi hotspots, so you can catch up on messages, upload photos, or check in with family back home without spending a dime. Just remember, public Wi-Fi isn't always secure, so avoid logging into sensitive accounts or sharing personal info. Sometimes your cell plan covers texting or data in port, especially if you're cruising close to home or in countries included in your plan. Always check your rates before you go, and consider adding an international plan if you'll be texting a lot while ashore. It's better to know your options than to get hit with unexpected roaming fees. And one last thing, keep background data off. Even if you're not actively texting, your phone can sneakily use data in the background for app updates, emails, or syncing photos. Airplane mode saves you from that headache, but you can also go into your settings and turn off background data for extra peace of mind. That's how I keep texting on a cruise without breaking the bank. With a little planning, you can stay connected, share your adventures, and enjoy your trip without worrying about your phone bill. Safe travels and happy cruising.
And that's how you stay connected with family and friends for almost no cost while you're on a cruise ship. As I said before, please make sure you click the subscribe button before you go, and let me know what you think in the comments section of this video. Talk to you next time, right here on the Destinations channel.